Welcome back to the pack, everyone. This is 3 Dogs 3D Prints. Super excited to show you my new printer. Anycubic had it on sale. It is the S1 Combo. The combo means that it has the ability to print 4 colors, unlike the X where that's built in. It comes special with the S1. This will be my first fully enclosed printer. You see the 2 X's I have are exposed. This one is fully enclosed. It keeps the environment on the build plates more controlled, which means the more delicate filament like the TPU, sometimes the PETG, those filaments can be controlled easier, so I can build more delicate with more delicate filament. So this is the unboxing, and we're going to see if we can get this together. I haven't done this one yet, so we're going to do this together and see how it goes. So here we go. Like I said in a previous video, this one is going to be the Sentinel, since it's the S1, S as in Sentinel. It is not an X as in the X-Men, but it is part of their universe, so this is going to be Sentinel. Here we are going to cut the tape. Just got this in my mail today. I was in the middle of doing some housework, and I got the notification that it was delivered, so I ran straight to the door, got this, and set this all up. So I am super excited to get started here. So let us open this up. Okay, first thing is, of course, the user manual. We will need that. Nice packing materials, so no damage happens. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, it says, is there are 2 arrows here, red arrows. We got to use the tools to take it out. So use the given tools. You say to take it out from the top here, so take this top. Okay. There we go, just like that. This is the Ace Pro. This is what gives us the ability to have multi-color prints. That out. Okay, that was step 2. And then this is the accessory box. Let's take out the rest of. Okay, that's good. Take out the bottom inside, take out the Ace Pro cushion. Okay, now there are 4 screws holding this plate on. We're supposed to take that out, so let us get to those 4 screws. Okay, we are finishing up these last 4 screws. Let's take that out. Alright, successful. Okay, next we have taken the bottom plates. Let's see, cut the zip tie for the print head. Remove the cardboard, remove the foam. Okay. So, go. Foam. Cut the zip tie. as shown by the arrows, using the Allen key to remove the 3 screws marked in the red circles. Okay, so let's use this big one. There are 3 more screws. Okay, we got those 3 screws done. So it does say install the spool holder. Skip this step if you're printing multiple colors, and that's what we were doing, so let's skip that step. Okay, so we're going to install the Ace Pro. So let's close this. Put the lid back on. We can turn this around for everyone to see. Place the Ace Pro on top. Insert the 4-pin end of the signal cable into the printer and insert the 6-pin end into the corner. Okay, what we're doing out here, I wanted to make sure we had all the inventory here. We're going to put the 6-pin up here. The 6-pin goes up here in the bottom corner. The 4-pin goes down here, connects to here. Okay, and then the filament hub module we will put right here. There's a 6-pin right here, so these are pretty easy to get to figure out where it goes, what goes where, and this attaches nicely right there. There are 2 screws to keep it on. So that's what we'll do. We'll get this started just to keep it steady. And take the second one. Now we will tighten those up. There we go. I don't think you want them too tight. These are pretty delicate. So now we take this tube, insert the suspended filament tube into the port. So that's what we're going to do right there, just like that. So there we go. That part is now connected. So that's perfect. So now we have to insert the 4 Teflon tubes into the filament hub, which is this. So if you look underneath here, there's some connections for the PFTE filament tubes. So they have this bag that has some filament if you want to test it. Unless you're like most of us who have lots and lots of already filament here. So what we're going to do, says first thing to remove is to remove the 4 clips from the connection ports. I'll show you that in a second, and insert the Teflon tubes and then reinstall the 4 blue clips. So you see right here, there's these 4 clips. It's easier. Okay, now that we got those out, we'll want to connect the tubes. So there are numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just go backwards. We'll start at 4. All right, so it does say here, after you put this, there's a 4 here, but it says the Teflon tubes are matched in no order, so you don't need to look to make sure. Sorry, the machine will automatically get that for you, so you'll just need to know which go. And all you have to do is push them in. It does lock in. So you just push and it'll lock right in there. There we go. Once we got there, there's this pouch. It's called activated charcoal. There is an exhaust here for this, and then this will help the air quality in your house. So this doesn't degrade the air quality in the house. So we will get this. So So this is right inside. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put it in place, turn it on, and we'll go through these. All right, so now we got it set up. I just plugged it in. I'm not sure about how this configuration is gonna go. Let me know what you think. If you think this is good in between the two X's, or maybe the two X's can share this filament dryer because it's an active filament dryer, and this goes by itself. But what's left is just connecting and everything. You plug this in, you go through the usual setup process, connecting to the network, connecting to its cloud, getting the firmware updated. So yeah, so I can't wait to see what this thing can do. I'm going to do a couple test prints, maybe some TPU filament, because I really want to see what this thing can do. So thanks for everyone coming along, and I hope to see you later. Thanks.